There is a 300 kilometers panoramic view of Himalayan mountains, and so ultimately we could see the huge and panoramic view of Himalayas behind me. I'll just show you in my rear camera. I'm not sure whether it is visible. Yeah, it is visible a bit, but all these are tea estates.
Green tea, lemon tea, black tea.
See, they are selling some teas. Hello, excuse me.
Green tea.
ఏంటి అమ్ముతున్నారమ్మా?
Tea, tea, green tea, lemon tea.
ఇంకా ఇంకేమున్నాయి?
Tea, green tea.
Having lots of love, baby. Wow. This is Karan Prayag, full of mountains in the middle, river. How's the location, guys? I hope you love the location. Good morning, guys. Good morning from Kausani. We are vacating our rooms. So abhi to packing chal raha hai. Abhi to packing is going on. So this is our stay. So we stayed. These two are our rooms. So we have a lot of monkeys over here. We woke up somewhere around at 8 o'clock roughly. Almost packing is done. So let's start our journey to I think it is roughly Karan Prayag or something. Yeah. Hey, today where are we going, man? Karan Prayag, huh? See, here we have a lot of. Oh my God! From inside also, it got pura jam gaya. Oh my God, man! And today morning the temperature is -2 degrees. Oh my God! See, we have to clear each and every side mirror and stuff. रात को -1 degrees में चला गया, and सुबह morning today I just woke up and saw the temperature. It's 0 degrees.
No, it's -1.
Yeah, today morning it's -1. So रात को it went to somewhere around -3 or -2 something. I don't know.
Lorry driver.
See, so this is our situation in the morning. We are clearing off our glasses with mask. सही है भाई, सही है.
What is this, yo? Let's go, yo.
मामा ने मेसल पॉर्न है मामा. लॉरी ड्राइवर को दिखा दो. लॉरी ड्राइवर हमारा लॉरी ड्राइवर को दिखा दो. So today morning we have decided that we'll be exploring tea estates of Kausani. Yesterday, as I told you, there is a 300 kilometers panoramic view of Himalayan mountains. Yesterday morning it rained properly in Ranikhet, and of course it rained in Kausani, and so ultimately we could see the huge and panoramic view of Himalayas behind me. I'll just show you in my rear camera. I'm not sure whether it is visible. Yeah, it is visible a bit, but properly I'll just show you in my rear camera. Okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this spectacular view. Seriously, you know, this view is next level amazing. Like, you know, before 2 years also, I've been to this place, the place where we had our lunch yesterday. From there also, we should get one proper panoramic view, but somehow we didn't get it. But yeah, you know, because of the clouds and all. But today we got it. It is super cold outside. ठंड तो बहुत है, but still we got down to show you people, you know, this seriously pretty good view. Let's start our journey to tea estates of Kausani. I'm not sure whether these tea estates are open or not, but let's give it a shot. We have reached Kausani Tea Estates. So you know, all these are tea estates. So let's go और थोड़ा नीचे and let's explore Kausani Tea Estates. नीचे यही रास्ता नहीं है, वहाँ से ठीक है. थैंक यू. किधर से? आगे से. अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, thank you. You have to come this way and these are a couple of houses, so you have to go by this way. धीरे धीरे जाना है भाई, ये तो थोड़ा सा स्लिपर ही है. Oh my god, you know, the view of Himalayan mountains is so beautiful. From here also you could see Himalayas, so it is so cool. And
Welcome to
it is.
Estates.
Thank you so much, sir. This is so beautiful.
Green tea, black tea, lemon tea,
Useless fellows. See, while you're coming over here, just be very careful because we have some, you know, dried leaves and it's wet. So, धीरे. See, you know, all these are tea estates.
green tea, lemon tea, black tea.
See, they are selling some teas. Hello, excuse me.
Green tea,
ఏంటి అమ్ముతున్నారమ్మా?
tea, green tea, lemon tea,
ఇంకా
black tea,
ఇంకేమున్నాయి?
tea, green tea. Auntie.
Let's click some couple of pictures and let's leave from this place. We have encountered some really beautiful tea estates with Himalayan view, and I have clicked some good pictures. If you want to check out those pictures, you can follow me on Instagram. You know, beside this tea estates only, we have this Himalayan village resort. You can book your stay somewhere over here so that you get some better view of, you know, Himalayas. So if you people want to plan to stay here, you can. There is an option. The stays might be a bit expensive, but chalega. You know, waking up to this view, it's really amazing. You know, beside this tea estates also we have some shopping stuff. Sir, this is only for sweaters?
हाँ जी.
So this is only for sweaters. So if you want to purchase a couple of sweaters, so do check it out, you know, beside the tea estates. And we met this beautiful guy. Hi, handsome. You're so cute, ma. You're so cute, ma. You're so cute, ma. Oh, but it's huge. ఏంటి సాయిగడ్ ఫోన్ అది అమ్మా ఏంటి ఏంటి ఎత్తుకేస్తున్నావు You know, it is having lots of love, baby. क्यों? I'll play with this dog for some time. So yeah, you know, we stopped here for breakfast. You know, yesterday we stopped and had our lunch, right? Do you remember in the previous vlog? Maggie Point, lovely restaurant. That's good. Mobile number is also there. So 24/7 it seems. So we have some paratha, Maggie, and you know, the same stuff. So yeah, yesterday I kept my camera here and I took the time lapse. So yesterday I couldn't see this, you know, this snow-capped mountains, but today I could see. This is beautiful. We have a lot of stuff to take, you know, what do you call the biryani leaves, biryani items, है ना भैया ये सब, and you know, tea, coffee flavors. We have a lot of stuff here. बगल में ही we have the tea estates, of course. You know, all these are tea estates. See, he don't know how to read Hindi, so you know he's acting. He's just acting that he's reading some Hindi newspaper. Like if you are planning to take some tea or coffee, so do visit this place and buy some stuff. Yeah. So we have ordered 1 plate Maggi, 2 plate aloo paratha, and 2 plate puri bhaji. Puri bhaji, yeah. Let's enjoy the food then.
मैं आपको ग्रीन टी देता हूँ.
सर ये है तुलसी का, ये है चाय मसाला.
चाय मसाले.
Okay.
एक मैं मिंट का दूंगा.
मिंट का.
एक मैं मिंट का मिंट आ रही है उसमें, एक मैं मिंट का दूंगा और
Okay.
एक मैं जो है आपका यहाँ का ग्रीन टी दूंगा.
ठीक है सर. So we are trying 4 different flavors of tea. So let's. Hello sir.
Hello sir.
So we'll just try it out. You know, how does it taste? So okay. So this is which tea?
ग्रीन टी विद शुगर.
Green tea with sugar. I'll just.
ग्रीन टी
taste
विद
it.
मिंट विदाउट शुगर. ग्रीन टी विद तुलसी विदाउट शुगर. और ये मसाला टी विद ग्रीन टी.
Okay. Yeah, we have finished our breakfast and we have taken a couple of stuff, and I hope you have loved this beautiful time lapse. You know, these people are settling the bill, so once it is done we'll start our journey from here to Rudraprayag. Good afternoon, guys. So right now the time is 3:45, and we have reached Karan Prayag. And I don't remember this hotel name. You know, the rooms are really good. I'll just show you the rooms, and iske baad I'll show you that view. Okay. So you know, this is our room. Very decent, very nice. And this is the restroom. Decent, nice. We have a geyser. You know, this is the main thing which we are looking for as of now. And yeah, you know, we 5 people will be adjusting on this 2 king size beds. And oh my god, this view is next level amazing. Seriously, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. Okay, bas काफी है. चलो जन, you know, just have this look. How is it? And here is the bridge, and this is our hotel. This is the very awesome view. This is too good. This is Karan Prayag, you know, full of mountains, in the middle river. How is the location, guys? I hope you loved the location. I though loved it. So this is Alkananda River, it seems. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, sorry about that. So this is Pindar River, you know, which flows from there, and you know, we came all the way through Pindar River only. And you know, that is Alkananda River, and you know, ultimately the complete summit is Alkananda River. You know, it flows like that. This is the summit, and it is so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, I'm eagerly waiting to cross the bridge, get down, click some good pictures, and spend my evening over here. That's it. You know, on top of our room only we have a restaurant, so we are having one sweet corn soup and one hot and sour soup, and that is good with this beautiful view. You have seen the view, right? See, we need to give an expression also, it seems. You know, now Chennadu will be showing us. Take 2. Huh? You know, my friends are still having their lunch, so once they are done, we'll go down and click some cool pictures, baby. I hope you people have liked the drone shots. So you know, as of now we are just crossing this bridge. Pretty cool, right? I feel really happy, you know, staying at this place.
परमगति पाता ओम जया चंद्र माता आरती मात तुम्हारी जय जननी क्या गाता मैया तं हृदारविन्दे भावं भावामि सहितं नमामि नीलाम्बुदश्चामरकोमलाङ्गं सीतासमावेति तवावभागम्
Kada. We have acknowledged one beautiful Ganga Harati in Karan Prayag itself. So we are kind of really super blessed, you know, to be at this place, as I told you earlier. So it's seriously nice.